Okay, this is the second part of the page. I ask you to put this in focus. These problems must be the solution to these practice problems. You need to put it in focus for a grade. Now I will solve this one over here. And in a separate page, like I did in class, I will do those three after. Okay. They want me to solve for t, and t is being a square. So you don't have an option but to use the quadratic equation. I will move everything to one side, so I will write it like this. This is a Greek letter alpha, omega naught t minus delta p equals 0. So I move delta theta to the other side, and I have a 0 on the right hand side. That means that this is A, this is B, and this is C. So this is A, B, and C. And now I put over here the quadratic equation for t. T is the variable now. And now we put over here, start putting the numbers. Negative b is negative omega naught plus minus b squared, omega naught squared, minus 4a is 1 alpha, and c is negative delta t. 2 times alpha, a, that is 1/2 alpha. So the half and the 2 simplify, the half and the 4 simplify, and negative times negative is positive. So and the time must be a positive quantity. So if this is negative and negative, time is going to be negative, assuming alpha is positive. So usually from these two solutions, only one is going to be the solution, the one that has physical meaning. So let's put it like this. If alpha is negative, then the one with the negative, but then that's the solution. Now we solve the practice one. Minus b naught. So this cancel because you want to put acceleration by itself. Again, if two variables are together, it's understood multiplication. And now divide by t. The whole left term by t. So this cancel. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is lowercase b in this equation. You don't need to know that p is pressure at this moment, that capital N is the number of particles, and capital B is the volume, 1/2 mass velocity squared. Okay, so let's solve for lowercase b, not to be confused with capital case B. Okay, first you could cancel the 2.5. Let me bring down what is left. Can be written like this. And now you multiply by b, by volume. so the volume cancel. You divide by mass, so the mass cancel because you're solving for B, and you divide by n, the n cancel, and you multiply by 3, so 3 and 1/3 cancel. So you're left with 3bp mn equals the square of the velocity. And to get rid of the square, you take a square root on both sides. So the velocity in principle is plus minus. Because negative square is positive and positive square is positive. And this is the second solution, the second problem. The third one, the third is in this equation, b squared b naught squared plus 2a parenthesis x minus x naught. Okay, you need to solve for this. Now you minus this term, complete like a whole thing, because then it cancels on the right hand side. Bring down what is left, b squared minus 2a x minus x naught equals b naught squared. And now you take a square root on both sides. But remember that could be positive or negative. Okay? Because negative 2 squared is 4 and positive 2 squared is also 4. So anytime you do that step, square rooting on both sides, make sure you put positive negative. And this is the third problem. Okay, this practice, the whole page, you need to scan it and put it in, scan it and put it in focus. The whole page, handwritten by you, of course. See if I pause this.